6. Sorry. Well, these used to be Kone M series, but not anymore. Oh, that's a damn disappointment. Rip. And the lanterns don't work. Ooh. These were murdered.
You're down?
Yeah, down.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Cheers, thank you.
No
Oh,
worries.
yeah, but I think you want some.
Of course, yeah.
Yes,
It's for a project.
Oh, right. What are you doing? Out of interest?
Oh, I'm just interested in elevators, so I'm just going around and checking out what elevators are around Oslo in my free time.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah. From the
So
States.
anything unique about this one?
Oh, well, it would have been something neat, but the inner part got replaced.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I got excited. The outside's originally and the inside's not.
Right.
Well, take care.
Yeah, you too.
What is going on? I hear these squeaks, but look. Guess we can go to 2. Sounds like they were from Australia. At first I thought they were British, but I kind of heard the Aussie accent. Anyway, it's weird. You can just go up the stairs, but the elevators are locked. We're gonna see one more time. I don't want to put my phone over that candle and catch my cord on fire. No, that's a disappointment. Anyway, that'll be it.